Hi everyone, I just wanted to make you guys a quick video on how to get a motor mount in your 06-ish Silverados. If you got a Silverado that's 99 through, I think it's 06, this video is for you. And if you got a Silverado with a 5.3 or 6 liter in it that's a little newer, they're probably still the same. I'm not sure on that one, but this is just instruction to tell you how to get in there and get her done and how to make it easy. The first thing you want to do is you want to get this heat shield off. Get that heat shield off the manifold. And I know what you're thinking, all them little bolts screwed into the manifold, well, they're just going to bust off. That's what I thought too, but I only ended up breaking one off out of like 8. So after you get that done, you can get to the motor mount bolts, which are right down there. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there they are. There's 3 of them under there. After you get that heat shield off, you can see them real good. And that's what the motor mount looks like when you get it out. And that's why this one's bad. But anyway, once you get these 3 bolts out, you can get the cherry picker and hook on the motor somewhere. I hooked on the tensioner and I just jacked the motor up. And after you jack the motor up, you can get to these 4 bolts. It's not easy, and you got to get the right length extension in there on a ratchet, but it can be done. So that's what you do on the passenger side. Come over here to the driver's side. You got to get in here and get the steering shaft off and out of your way. But the same thing applies. You take that heat shield off the exhaust manifold, and then you pull your steering shaft out, and it comes out easy. It's just a bolt right there and a pinch joint right there, and once you get this bolt here out, you just shove it back off the steering box and then alongside the steering box and just yank it right out of the steering shaft. And I'll set the camera about here. I don't know, that's not very good, but anyway, I'll show you the before and after. I'll jack it up. On this side, I just hooked the chain onto the bracket. And then you get on the old cherry picker and you just make the motor go up just like this. And then you want to stop about the time the motor stops, or you might break something. Anyway, that gets the motor way up off the motor mount. Now you got room to get those bolts to hold the motor mount to the block. And if you don't have a cherry picker, what you can do, if you're real sneaky and careful, is get your floor jack out. Throw the old floor jack under here, and you see the exhaust pipe there? If you're real careful and jack it up slow with your floor jack and watch and make sure you don't crush your exhaust pipe, you should be able to get it jacked up and do the same process even without a cherry picker. So thanks for watching, and good luck with your motor mounts.